In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Canva. Canva is a versatile design tool that's perfect for creating stunning visuals, including images for social media, presentations, posters, and more. One of the creative effects you can apply to your text in Canva is curving it, which can add a dynamic and eye-catching look to your designs. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can master this technique and enhance your projects with it. Let's start by heading over to Canva. Once you're there, you'll want to select a blank template for your project. You can choose any size or format that suits your design needs. With your blank canvas ready, direct your attention to the menu options on the left side of your screen. Look for the text option and click on it. This will open up a variety of text options, from simple text boxes to more stylized text templates. For our purpose today, click on Add a Text Box. A text box will appear on your canvas, and this is where you can type in your desired text. Once you've entered your text, you may want to adjust the size to ensure it fits well within your design and gives the right impact. You can click and drag the corners of your text box to resize it, or use the font size options in the top toolbar for more precise adjustments. With your text properly sized, click once more on your text box. You'll notice that an edit bar appears at the top of the screen. This is your gateway to various formatting options. In this edit tab, look for the effects button and click on it. This opens up a range of text effects you can apply. Among these options, you'll find shape. Enter the shape section, and this is where the magic begins. Scroll through and select curve. When you select curve, you'll immediately see your text transform along a curve, giving it that unique flair. Canva provides you with a slider that lets you adjust the degree to which your text is curved. You can play around with the slider to see how it affects your text's arch. A more dramatic curve might work for some designs, while a subtle curve might suit others better. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully curved your text. In Canva, this technique can really elevate your design, making it more engaging and visually appealing. Practice with different fonts and sizes to see how each text type responds to curving. Experimenting will help you understand which looks best for your particular project. Remember, creativity is key, and with Canva's user-friendly interface, you have the perfect platform to let your design ideas